Hi, Dr. Marvel with Marvel Clinic. Today I'm going to talk about sinus and snoring solutions. These are some techniques that we have developed to help people with snoring. In our last video segment we talked about some of the causes of snoring. And what I pretty much covered was that our nose is very important in terms of causing snoring. About 70% of all of our airflow comes through our nose. Yet our nose is really quite small. And therefore, one of the most important things that we can do for our patients is to ensure that their nose is open. So we want to treat their allergies, we want to test them for allergies, treat their allergies. We want to assess whether they have chronic sinus problems, and if necessary, treat that. And then in some cases, we want to do surgery to straighten their nose. Another procedure we do is we trim or shrink the size of these turbinates, because these are also a common source of obstruction in the nose. So we want to make the nose as open as possible, because again, that is the first order of breathing. 70% of our air actually enters through our nose. Secondarily, oftentimes the uvula, which is the part of your throat that dangles in the back of your throat, can become elongated. Particularly when we snore, this area can swell, and the more it swells, the louder we snore. And that's why some patients will tell me, you know, doc, when I wake up in the morning, I feel like something is hanging down the back of my throat is raw, and that's from really snoring all night, and this thing can actually swell. So sometimes we trim off the uvula, and then we can even inject some chemicals into the palate that stiffens the palate and firms the palate up. So that is some of the basic things that we can do. Most of these things only take 10 or 15 minutes and can be done on a outpatient basis, a very minimally invasive type procedure that can give patients relief with their snoring problem.